Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we discussed about dimension formulas. We wrote some dimension formulas. So what is called dimension formula? So one of the most important one. So dimension formula means in a given derived quantity, how many fundamental quantities are involved. So the fundamental quantities are raised to power of MLT. So that is called as a dimension formula. It is a dimension formula is an expression in a given derived quantity how many fundamental quantities are involved to raise a power of MLT, to express the power of MLT, that is called as dimension formula. For example, if you take one physical quantity x is equal to x is a derived quantity, the derived quantity dimension formula m power x, l power y and t power z. So x, y, z are the dimensions of x quantity. Okay. So then dimension constants, the which quantities are having a fixed dimension formula, the quantities are said to be dimensional constants. Dimensional constant which are having fixed value, fixed dimension formula, that are called as dimensional constants. Example, gravitational constant. So again, Planck constant, gas constant, velocity of light. These are all called as dimensional constants. Then next, dimensionless quantities. Dimensionless quantities. The which quantities doesn't have dimension formula, the quantities are said to be dimensionless quantities. Dimensionless quantities. For example, angle. Angle is the ratio of arc by radius. So it is a dimensionless formula. Dimensionless quantity. Strain, change in shape by virginal shape. So this is also, so angle is equal to arc by radius. So this is arc by radius, that is equal to arc means L by L. So m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. So angle is a dimensionless quantity. So strain, if you take strain also changing shape by virginal shape. So this is also dimensionless quantities. So some logarithmic quantities and trigonometric quantities are called as dimensionless quantities. Then dimensional variables. Dimensional variables means the which quantities are doesn't have fixed dimension formula. So the which quantities are doesn't have fixed dimension formula. So the dimension formula can change quantity to other quantity. Such type of quantities are said to be dimensional variables. For example, so many are there: speed and acceleration, force, area, length, density. These are all called as dimensional variables. So today we wrote some dimensional quantities. So one of the important one, students, all of you note down and maintain separate notes. Okay. So some dimension formula. For example, first one is area. So area is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So that is equal to length into breadth. Length means L, breadth also measured in L square. So the area dimension formula m power 0 L square T power 0. So area depend on only length, does not depend on mass and time. So what are the dimensions? Dimensions. The power of MLT is called as dimensions. The dimensions of area 0 to 0. 0 to 0. Then volume is equal to here length into breadth into height. So this is L into L. That should be L cube. What is the dimension formula of volume? Volume is equal to m power 0 L cube t power 0. What are the dimensions of volume? 0, 3, 0. Dimensions. Then density. So density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. So that is equal to mass means m. Volume means L cube. Just now we wrote it. So that m L power minus 3. So m L power minus 3. Denominator is set into numerator L to the power of minus 3 and t to the power of 0. So these are density dimension formula. What are the dimensions? 1 comma minus 3 comma 0. 1 comma minus 3 comma 0 is the dimensions of density. Then fourth one is velocity. Velocity means displacement by time. Displacement by time. Time taken. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Earlier class we discussed about the dimension formulas. Okay. So velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time taken. This is the displacement by time. So displacement denoted by L and time is denoted by T. So L t power minus 1. Okay. The dimension formula of velocity m power 0 L t power minus 1. M power 0 L t power minus 1. The dimensions of velocity 0, 1, minus 1. Dimensions. So the power of m and t is known as the dimension. The dimensions of velocity 0, 1, minus 1. And then acceleration. So acceleration is equal to velocity by time taken. Velocity by time. So velocity L t power minus 1 by time t. So L t power minus 2. So the acceleration dimension formula, acceleration m power 0 L t power minus 2. So the dimensions of acceleration 0, 1, minus 2. So then force is equal to F is equal to ma. ma means m means mass into acceleration. The product of mass into acceleration is known as force. So mass is denoted by m and acceleration is denoted by L t power minus 2. So the dimension formula of force m L t power minus 2. The dimensions of force 1, 1, minus 2. 1, 1, minus 2. Then momentum P. The momentum is the product of mass into velocity mv. So mass into velocity. So the mass denoted m and the velocity denoted L t power minus 1. That should be equal to m L t power minus 1. So this is called a momentum. Then work and energy both are having same dimension formula. Work and energy is equal to F into S. The product of force into displacement is known as work. So force m L t power minus 2. So displacement L. So m L square t power minus 2 is the dimension formula of work and energy. Work and energy are both are having same dimension formula. The capacity to do work is known as energy. The rate of work is known as power. So the capacity to do work is known as energy. Energy and work both are same dimension formula. Power is equal to work by time. So work ml square t power minus 2 and divided by time t. So ml power minus 2. So t to the power of minus 3. This is the dimension formula of power. Then angular displacement. Angular displacement. So angular displacement means this is called angle. The ratio of arc by radius. So the ratio of arc by radius is the angular displacement. L by L. Arc is denoted by L. Arc is nothing but length, and radius also denoted by L. This is also length. L get cancelled. The dimension formula angular displacement m power 0, L power 0, t power 0. So the angular displacement is a dimensionless constant. Sorry, dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity doesn't have any dimensions. So same as strain. Strain is equal to change in shape by original shape. So when we are applying some stress on the object position can change. The ratio of change in shape by original shape. So this is the both are same. So m power 0, L power 0, t power 0. Strain also dimensionless quantity. Then relative density. So relative density means relative density is equal to the density of an object by the density of water. Density of object by density of water. So object density comparing with water density, that is called as relative density. Relative density means the density of object by density of water. Density m to the power minus 3 t power 0, and again water density also having same dimension formula ml power minus 3 t power 0. Both are cancelled. So m power 0, L power 0, t power 0. This is also dimensionless quantity. Okay? And then angular velocity. So angular velocity is equal to angular displacement by time. So that is equal to angular displacement doesn't have any dimensions. So only 1 by t power minus 1. So the dimension formula of angular velocity m power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1. Then angular acceleration. So angular acceleration also angular velocity by time m power 0, L t power minus 2. So the moment of inertia. So we can write so many dimension formulas. Okay. So complete your yesterday homework, students. You have to maintain separate notes for physics. Thank you.